Good morning, KO4. Mrs. Munch here, Jilly too. It is Friday again already. What a quick week. I am so happy to be here with you. I'm so thankful that we can do these videos and that you can still see me, and I love seeing the pictures that you send to me. I miss you guys so much. I miss giving you guys hugs and love every day. I miss your fun stories. I miss you guys being silly, and I miss seeing you guys learn and grow. But I know you're still doing it at home with mom and dad. Be sure to treat mom and dad the same way you treat Mrs. Munch, which is with respect always and kindness. All right, we're gonna add another day to our calendar, our little umbrellas. Do you remember the saying I taught you the other day about April? April showers bring May flowers. April showers bring May flowers. I am gonna go ahead and put up, Jilly, come here. Another blue umbrella. So our pattern so far is A, B, B, or green, blue, blue. Okay, let's do our days of the week here. Today is Friday. Do a silent cheer for Friday. Do you a silent cheer, Jilly? You don't a silent cheer. Tomorrow is Saturday. And that means yesterday was Thursday. Nice work. Let's sing our days of the week song, just for a little bit of fun and music for the day. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Nice one. All right, let's take a look at our date. Come here. Sit. You need to sit. Stay. Our date today, we already talked about, it is Friday, and our month is April the 3rd. Uh-oh, Mrs. Munch needs to change that up here, where we write our date with the dashes. So 4, then we need to change that 2 to a 3, 20. If we're gonna say the entire date, we're gonna start with come here, sit. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Very nice job. Very nice job. All right, next week, Friday, there's no school. Crazy, right? No school. Even though we're not in school, we don't have school at home next Friday. Today, boy, the weather changed dramatically, didn't it? Were you surprised? I can't even believe it. So much ice out and so cold. This morning is definitely freezing, and I know that it's freezing because I have a fountain out in my front yard and it's frozen. The ice and the water, the water turned to frozen ice. And so I know that it's freezing outside. I know the temperature is so low that it is freezing. When I take a look at the sky and think about the weather, unfortunately, we have to add another tally mark to our cloudy column. Now we have an entire completed tally mark section, which is worth how many? What's a full tally mark section worth? Show me on your fingers. Subitize if you want. Did you say 5? How'd you show it? Nice job. All right. So I chose a new number of the day today. I chose number 14, which is how many more than yesterday's number of the day? Do you remember what yesterday's number was? Did you say 13? Good job. Yesterday's number was 13 and today's is 14. So show me on your fingers how many more today's number is. Just one. 13 plus 1 equals 14. All right, just like all those other teens that we've been talking about, the number 14, I'm just gonna get down here. The number 14 ends in the word teen, T-E-E-N. And we have talked many times about that 1 at the beginning of 14 stands for 1 full 10 frame. I didn't even erase it from yesterday, just left it there because you guys are smart and it's in your brain. And I don't think I have to show you that again. But how many extra 1s should we add? What does our place value 1 show us? That's right, 4 extra 1s. I found a new Expo marker in the basement. It's one of my favorite colors at school. I'm pretty excited about it, but it's all smushed, so I'm just gonna try and use it. Anyways, we've got our 4 extra 1s, so our 10 frame would look like that. Our tally marks, I just left them up from yesterday. We have 5, count with me, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's make it 14 for today. Our dice, I left our dice, so we've got 5, 10. How could we show this? If we wanted to use 2 dice, how could we show this? Did anybody say 3 and 1? You could also show it with 2 and 2. Yep. So if we were going to write the equation, the number sentence for a dice, we would write it like this. We would write 5, say it with me, plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. That's not right? Okay, let me, oh, I see. Mrs. Munch makes mistakes. Happens to all of us. Plus 1 equals 14. Nice job, KO4 friends. The number before 14, the number before 14 is our number of the day yesterday. It's 13. And the number after 14 is 15. Very nice. And we got our little teeny baby 14 right there. Good little baby one. All right, we're gonna compare the numbers 14 and 12. Ooh, remember 12 is a teen number, but he's kind of crazy because he doesn't have a teen at the end. But he still has 1 10 and 2 extra 1s. So, which one's bigger? Which one's the crocodile gonna want to eat today, or alligator? He always wants to eat the bigger number because he's so hungry. Did you say 14? That's right. Chomp, chomp, chomp. So let's read this together. 14 is greater than 12. Nice work, boys and girls. You're awesome possums. I think we're gonna end today. I want you to go ahead and tell me something that you're excited or not excited about for the weekend, or you can tell me something that you did this week that was exciting for you. Just go ahead and put that in the comments. Mrs. Munch is excited. We got a new game called Just Dance 2020 for the Switch, and we have all taken, Marcus, Lucas, Jason, and Mrs. Munch have taken to dancing having dance-offs with each other, and it is so much fun. So I'm excited for this weekend because we're gonna do more just dance and spend time as a family. Let's go ahead and sing our groovy song, because we haven't sang that in a couple days, okay? So here we go. Slow down, you move too fast, you got to make the morning last. Just kicking down the cobblestone, think about life and feeling groovy. Ha-dee-dee, dee-da-dee, doodly-doo-da, doo-da, feeling groovy. Well, hello, lamppost, what you knowin'? I come to watch your flowers growin'. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? Kicking along and feeling groovy. A-dee-dee, dee-da-dee, doodly-doo-da, doo-da, feeling groovy. I got no deeds to do, I got no promises to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy and ready for sleep. Let the morning time drop all her petals on me. Life, I love ya, all is groovy. A-dee-dee, dee-da-dee, doodly-doo-da, doo-da, feeling groovy. I miss hearing you guys sing with me. I miss you guys. I love you. Here's a big group hug to end our time together today. Take care and have a wonderful weekend.